Snipe Squad, what is up, man? It is approximately.
We come to your channel for the energy. I need you to. What's going on? I'm talking about
my nigga. Listen, I just woke up, and you know that though. Like you know that. Speaking of just waking up, right? I literally just wake up. I grab my camera, and I was supposed to be out the house to go pick up these Jordan 1s. I was supposed to leave the house at 9 o'clock. I was supposed to leave the house at 9 o'clock. This man, as y'all know, man, every time I come over Holla crib, I sleep on a famous pull-out couch. The famous pull-out couch is where I reside when I'm at his crib. I oversleep, bro. Right now it's like 4 o'clock. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, come on.
No, I'm just playing. But I oversleep. Right now it is 10 o'clock in the morning. We both agreed to leave at 9 yesterday. So as I'm getting up, you know, he walking through the living room, I'm like, damn, my bad, I overslept. This nigga tell me, yeah, I know you overslept, man. I walked in here like 3-4 times. Nigga, why not just wake me up, bro? You know we supposed to be gone. Like, just wake me up, dog. You know what I'm saying?
He said we gonna wake up at 9:15. We gonna leave at 12. So I figured like it's 10 o'clock.
No. We can't leave at 12, bro. We gotta get out there early because you trying to get your pair of the Pine Greens. If y'all didn't know, I don't know if all foot actions were like this, but the Pine Greens messed up at certain on the apps at certain places. So the Pine Greens are like first come first serve, and he wanted his pair of Pine Greens. So I'm like, yo, if you want to get them, we got to get there early because they first come first serve. I need you to be first in that line. It be nigga trying to run down on you if you get the last pair, and we ain't trying to do that. You know what I'm saying? I keep the yap on me. It's Snipe Squad for a reason. I ain't gonna lie. So bro, I really got a question that's gonna like kind of define our friendship right now. So like, you know, man, like I looked up where the mall is at. You feel me? The mall is only like 30 minutes away. Literally 3-0. And you know, I stay like an hour and 15 from here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, damn, if I was to go to the mall, I would be like halfway home, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, I gotta turn all the way around, come back 30 minutes the opposite way, then have to go all the way back home.
You about to ask me to drive, I was gonna drive anyway.
Yeah, that's why he a real one. And that's on me. If you ain't got friends like this, my nigga, you ain't got friends at all. And that's on dog. You know, hey, come talk to him real quick, bro. Tell him what you got going on.
I'm really not about to drive, I need gas, but I just said that for the video, you know what I'm saying?
He loves me.
Please check out my gas tank. If we make it, we gonna make it. You know what I'm saying?
The gas light is on right now. There's no way we make it. Damn. Hey, yo, bro, you mind, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what we doing here, bro?
You remember, like, we paid for your food yesterday, right? Y'all go watch the vlog. We paid for his food, so you got this, right? I pressed the lock button! I pressed the lock button!
Alright, y'all, we just got up to Cumberland Mall, man, about to pick up my pairs.
You got your shoes right there.
Yeah, bro.
I'm a guy leaving with your shoes.
Yo, so hopefully my boy can get his Pine Greens. Do you still want the Pine Greens today, bro?
If they're available, you know what I'm saying? I ain't pressed for them. With the price of the Pine Greens, I could buy 4 vans, so.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm like the type of nigga that'll walk through the food court 16 times and get full off samples.
So listen, I'm about to go get these sesame chicken samples, these General Tso samples, all of that.
I'm telling you, I walk through the food court 15 times until I'm full off samples, you know what I'm saying? And I keep the toothpick just to get the up out my teeth, you know what I'm saying? That's how you do it, though. So we gotta go to Foot Action. As y'all know, Foot Action was the only store that kind of had these in malls. Foot Action was the only store that had the purple joints, and that's all the way down here. And hopefully that line not too long. I came late. Maybe it's a good thing I came late, because maybe the line died down. Because on dog, if that line is long, nigga, I'm smacking niggas. So you got me, right? You with me, right?
Nah, I'm going home. I mean, I'll call the police for you or something, you know what I'm saying?
And as y'all can see, for the first time in a long time, I'm not at Greenbrier Mall, which means I don't feel like my life is threatened. I'm up here at Cumberland Mall, bruh, and it feels so good to not have to watch your back because you about to get stabbed, shanked, or robbed for your J's. Foot Locker. Foot Action don't look like they got no line, so I should be in and out. That was the easiest transaction I think I've ever made. For some reason, in my head, I saw that going totally different. I'm thinking the line was gonna be through the roof, you feel me? The only thing happened was the app down, but I got my pair, no problem. My boy decided not to get those pine greens though. Oh man, I'm with the homie Chris right now, man. You know what's going on, man. My boy picked up the perps, man. Them limited perps on deck, man. Tell me how you feel about this W today, you feel me?
I feel good right now. I feel real good right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I haven't felt this good since the bread toast.
See, you feel the material yet? I ain't even look. I don't want to look till I get back to the crib.
You haven't?
No.
Should we?
Fuck it. Let's do it. The first time, though, I'm gonna let you go ahead and. Yeah, let's just do it right here, bro. You might well use your table real quick. Hey, look, y'all know usually I wait till I get to the crib, but me and the homie crib about to bust it open. You know what I'm saying? On dog.
You want to do it? Man, I'm gonna let you show. I'll let you do it, boss.
That's real right there. You know what I'm saying?
I'll let you do it, boss.
Listen, y'all took my man home.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he said it's cool though. Put my homie on camera.
Hey, what's going on? Let me go and shout it out. What's going on?
Alright, bet though. Look, we about to see what these things looking like. Me and Chris, we ain't seen them yet. You feel me? So we.
Ooh, the purple bags. Hey.
I didn't get that much tumble. I see it.
So you think they gonna switch the tumble of?
I think they're gonna be off and on like the bread toast. You get some tumble, some no tumble. It looks like I don't got no tumble from what it looks like.
It's kind of rough, bro. Shit, I'm nervous, bro. They still fire.
Don't make me nervous, man. Don't make me nervous, man. Let me see the other one.
That one looked like a lot.
That one looks like a lot. Yeah. This one got that tumble. It don't got the side tumble, which is cool. I didn't get a tumble. I'm happy. I'm blessed to have it.
Bro,
period. I heard they extra limited too.
Extra limited. So once again, shout out to the homie Chris, man. We just checked out his purple joints, his purple ones. To be honest, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm low-key nervous, man. I'm not sure what type of material my shit gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody knows that the last recent pairs of Jordan 1s, they vary, man, between like the sizes, between just if you lucky or not. You might get a pair that's extra tumble, or you might get a pair that's just a little bit more tough than usual. Usually I don't unbox my shit till I get to the crib, man, but hey, look, I had to do it one time, and I hope y'all enjoyed that for real. Alright guys, we are back at the crib after all that running around. Y'all know usually, you know what I'm saying, I'm over in my studio with the sneakers behind me, but I'm now here in Gwinnett with the I need my shoes back so I can do the review, bro. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, bro. Anyway, like I was, bro, these not. I didn't buy no 11s, bro. Did you though? Did yours?
Yeah. When you had those, those on me. You know what I'm saying?
You giving me some 11s, bro? On dog, like, hold on, what we doing? Yo, my nigga. Yo, these low key. What size are these, bro?
You can't these back here.
So I can't have you.
No, you can't.
So why the hell would you?
I was gonna try to steal them hoes, to be honest.
As I was saying, y'all know I usually do this at the crib, man, at the studio, but I'm out here in Gwinnett for the weekend. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm at the homie Big Holla crib. But say no more, you about to get into this Flight 23 bag. I'm excited to see what these look like because earlier in the vlog, y'all. Bro, you cannot be advertising Vans in my videos, okay? Vans are so trash. Earlier today, I did the unboxing with my homie Chris that was at the mall, man. Huge shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for wanting to be in the vlog. Thank you for watching the videos. I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? You as a creator, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, when people actually watch your videos and show you that love, it give you a reason to keep going, though, right?
Yeah, facts.
So, hey, thank you, Chris. I appreciate it, bro, once again. Let's see what this tumble look like because I ain't gonna lie, Chris's was kind of iffy, and it really do depend on, like, sizing.
You know you want to look at the tumble. Just look down. Look down.
My shit is extra tumble. Yes, I like that. I like that.
Hey, Chris, if y'all wear the
like
same
that.
shoes,
And it's plush. And it's plush. Yes, I got a good pair, man. This is a good pair. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, you see that tumble on there. You see that tumble. God, Lee, look at that tumble. Ooh, this is a good pair. Definitely a good pair. He said that leather bounce back like Jordan, you know what I'm saying, when he came back with the 4.5 on dog. This pair is, like I said, a lot different from the one that Chris had earlier. I think he had like a 9.5. Y'all know I'm size 12 gang. This is the purple joint, aka the Laker Jordan 1. This is a very limited colorway. The prices went down dramatically on StockX. I think they're gonna pick back up pretty soon. How you feel about these, bro?
Like, to be honest, they far, just not for my wardrobe. But you know what I'm saying? Like, this what Tumble is, this little joint?
Yeah, so basically Tumble is like yeah, like that crumpled up, you know what I'm saying, tumble type material that you would get, you feel me? And on Jordan 1s, you know, that's kind of important because, you know, we all want our leather to be crisp on our Jordan 1s. But like I said, man, this colorway is fire. When I first seen this, I wanted the purple off the rip. I do like the green, and I am going to get the green, but as y'all know, I said this in 50,000 videos. Minor setback, I bought a laptop. It was a lot of money. I can't spend a lot of money because I'm still saving right now. So I was only able to get one out of the pack, and I chose to get these, but they fire. These are super fire. I'm gonna do a review on foot later. Y'all know that, you know what I'm saying? This is just like my first look out the box. And let me know how y'all pairs look down below, because I know everybody's not gonna look like mine. Some people not gonna have the tumble. Some people not gonna have, like, you know what I'm saying, the soft material going all the way around. And some people are. So what kind did you get? Did you get them? Did you get anything at all? Did you take an L? And that's really much it, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe to my homeboy, Big Holla. Both of his channels gonna be linked down below. Young Bum, you feel me?
Can I wear those tonight, though? Nah, I'm gonna wear, like, extra socks, because I wear 9.5.
No, you can't wear them tonight, bro. You can't. You can't.
But I thought since I had drove to...
Nah.
You remember when I asked you for Gap? Okay, alright.
Nah. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Gang gang.